Oh, nice day today after several rainy days. A little better today. Nice farm field here. Entering into. Still in southern Virginia. Maybe, let's see, maybe 40 more miles in southern Virginia. And then I start northern Virginia. I'm going to be heading into the town of Daleville in the next few days. That'll be mile 730. And at that point, I'll have walked 310 miles without taking a day off. I'm not sure how many days that is, but 310 miles continuously, day after day. And I think I deserve a day off. And it'll also give me time to try and catch up on the videos. And I think I've got my storage problem figured out. The problem I've had is having time and signal to do any kind of uploads. Mostly not having any signal. So hopefully I'll have some strong signal in Daleville and try and finish up a few videos and upload them for you. Of course, by the time you see this video, I should hopefully have uploaded many videos because I'm pretty far behind. Couple hundred miles behind, in fact. The last videos were in the low 200s. I'm gonna be hitting 700 tomorrow morning, so I'm pretty far behind. This is a nice break from being in the woods for so many days. With no views. Just lots of green trees. This is beautiful. Can you imagine living in that house there? That'd be awesome. Oh, it's on the other side. Will it top this side? Yeah, the videos from the last 100 miles are not going to be showing the impressive views of earlier in my hike. Like I said, everything turned green. It's hard to see through the trees anymore. So I've been concentrating on trying to do bigger miles each day. Excuse me. To try and get up north as soon as possible. Another nice view. As I was saying, I want to get up north as soon as possible because the trail is going to get more difficult when I get farther north. So I'm not going to be able to do big miles. So I want to have miles in the banks, so to say. can slow down and enjoy the White Mountains and Mount Washington, New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine. Plus, I want to have some miles in the bank, so when I get home, I can get off the trail and spend some time at home with my wife. There's cows over there. Didn't see them. They've got a nice spread here to roam on and just live out their lives, eating and relaxing in the fields. Okay, I'll end this video for now. Kind of a view. It's starting to rain. And I gotta walk on these rocks. Not exactly the place you want to be. Yep. Here we go. They're getting slick. Gotta get through here. Oh boy. It's a long ways down. And here's the thing, my shoes have almost 700 miles on them, so they're getting a little slippery. They don't grip like they used to. Piece of cake. They get under this tree over here and put my phone away. It's starting to rain harder. I'm not in a spot to film really right now.